As you know, our stool was already completed in the previous video, the first part of DIY stool. But now in this video, I'm going to make this tool look good, awesome in fact, with the help of two things. First is PVC sheet, a piece of PVC sheet, that is this, and the second is Ceramica. And people usually don't have Ceramica sheets and PVC sheets at their home. That is why this video is not a best out of waste video. It is just a DIY video, and I'm just making the stool look good. That was the Ceramica sheet that I'm going to use. As you know, our stool is already completed, and I would like to show you the strength of this stool. I'm going to stand on the stool like this, and you can see this is pretty strong stool, and it is ready to get sticked with these things. So the first thing to do with this mica sheet is to cut it equal to the height of this tool. For that we need a pencil to mark the height of this tool, and you can see I have marked the height, and I'm going to cut straight with the help of a cutter and scale. After pausing the video, I have cut the mica sheet equal to the height of this tool, and now I will be needing some ropes, some masking tapes, and glue, of course, to stick it. Now I'm going to add glue on the mica sheet and spread it very carefully, very perfectly. This was the best part of making this tool, because whenever I get my hands dirty with the glue, I like to peel the glue off my hands. And now as you can see, I have already spread the glue perfectly. Now it's time for the stool's entry. I'm going to stick the mica sheet on the stool, but it's going to be difficult, as you can see. And there comes the masking tape for the rescue. I'm going to apply the masking tape in order to put the mica in the position, and the more tape applied, the more it's better. The reason for using masking tape is that it is made of paper and it doesn't leave the residue of the glue on the object where you apply it. Now I'm going to wrap it with the rope we used in the previous video, and it should be very tightly tied, because the mica sheet is very hard and it can tear the masking tape and get open, and you don't want that, believe me. And after 2 days it is sticked perfectly. And there is another reason for using masking tape, that is you can use masking tape again if you remove it properly and don't tear it down, because you don't want to use small pieces of tape. And after removing the masking tape, we can see the defects in this tool where the glue is needed again. You can see there was a defect, but we are going to take care of it later. And for now we are going to stick the top of the stool, I mean the PVC sheet at the top of the stool. The same usual gluing process, the spreading process, and then pressing it on the top. Now to make the PVC stay in the position, I am going to apply a lot of masking tapes. Now we will take care of the defective part, and we will apply glue in between and applying masking tape on it. After 1 day, the PVC sheet on the top has been sticked perfectly, so I am taking off the masking tape and sticking it again on the top in order to use them again. And I am also removing the tape from the bottom. But there is this bump at the end of the mica sheet, so I am going to apply the glue under this bump and going to stick it with the masking tape. So after pausing the video, I have applied the glue and now the masking tape. I am applying a little force while sticking the tapes so that the mica sheet will not open and leave this bump again. And after 2 days the bump has been sticked, so I am removing the masking tape, and you can see the strength of this tool because I am sitting on this tool and removing the masking tape. This is perfect. Now I am going to apply this black tape on the end of the mica sheet and at the top edge of this tool. By the end of the mica sheet, I mean the part where there was a bump. It can be harmful, it can be sharp, so it should be covered with the tape. And before applying the tape on the top edge of this tool, remove the polythene covering of the PVC. And voila, our stool is complete. You can see the shine, and you have already seen the strength. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.